Hello, my name is Janik Vadan and today we will learn how to make a portfolio website. If you doesn't know about portfolio website, don't worry. So let's see what is a portfolio website. Let me search Janik. No, it says the P portfolio.native5.app. Okay, so guys, this is my portfolio website which I have made in last years, and this website was made by the WordPress. It is a platform or a software which is used to make websites by no code development. So no code is a way in which you can create websites without knowing how to code. So this is my website which is totally made by no code development. And in this video now we will see how to make this type of website with some tools and softwares. Let's go to a new tab and search for Pantheon.io. Everyone search to this website and click on the first link you will find, like Pantheon.io. You have to reach out to this website which name is Pantheon.io. So this website is a hosting platform or a platform in which we can get domain names, hosting, and other things which is used to uh, deploy website on internet. So we will get started. Click on get started, and let's see. And after click on get started, you have to just scroll down and find how. So the Pantheon site is loaded, and now we'll find sign in with Google, this option, and click on this option, and you will directly sign it with the Google account. And if your Google account is already signed, then just see if you're already signed in or not. So it's signing, and I will choose my account, that is developer@gmail.com. Okay, let's wait. Okay, after that you have to just fill your information, like my first name is Janik, and I will click on it, and after that my last name is Patel. So if you want to select your country, so here I will choose India. G after that HI India, here it is. Click on it, and after that yes, I would like to receive marketing commission. No, you don't have to click on this option. And are you an agency? No, we are not an agency, so we will click no, and I agree to Pantheon terms and conditions. Okay, now click on continue. Okay, after that our information is filled up, and we have successfully logged in into Pantheon site. So why we are using this Pantheon website? So whenever we are making websites or any other application, there are some important things like domain. Domain is a name of a website, so we have to buy a domain like this, https://samsung.com. So some of the domains in the internet are paid, so that we can't afford it. That's why but at the initial level of web development, we have to test our website for free. For that's why we are using Pantheon, because it provides free domain names and also hosting. If you doesn't know about hosting, hosting is a uh, it's a license to host your website on internet for free. If you want to host your website of free of cost, then we can use Pantheon. But some of the hosting providers like GoDaddy or Bluehost, they are the prepaid platform. They take charges from us to host our website on internet. Also, Pantheon provides servers to store our website for free of cost. So that's why we are using this Pantheon website. So you have to now click on the sites, and here it is your workspace. or where you can create your websites. And if you want to see how many websites you have created, just click on the sites. Click on the sites you will find here, and click on create a free site. Here the option, and click on it. So because we have not created any of the website, that's why it was completely blank. And after that we will choose WordPress. So WordPress is a software which is used to create websites. WordPress, if you search WordPress on internet, you will find a WordPress.com website. It is a website. It has also the same software which is used in it, but it is paid or costly. That's why we are not using it, because if we have to create a website for free of cost, that for that we have to use Pantheon, because Pantheon is providing WordPress for free of cost. That's why we will choose WordPress, and WordPress is the most popular platform or software in the world for creating no-code websites. We'll click on it, WordPress, and after that we will start our entering this. Fill up your website name, my name is, like we will start. We are making a portfolio website like this. So that's why we will add portfolio. After that, enter your name like Janik. My name is Janik. That's why. So now it's end here, and scroll down, and let me cut out this. Okay. After that, we have to just enter your name. So you can find a link here, uh, which is the link of our website. Here, if you share this link to anyone, it will redirect it to your website link. Now we will choose, click on continue. Okay. So it will take some time to load every files and information. Let's wait for it. Okay, friends. So now our all the resources and the files we want that are installed in our PC. So we will click on visit your Pantheon site dashboard. So click on it. So after that loading, we just have to click on the loading, and we like this dashboard we will open, and we will find two buttons here: visit development site and with site admin. So here are the some of the changes we can make in our website. So you can explore it later on. So it's not very important to in our website development, but it is for our website backend or any if you have to integrate it. So we will go to our site admin, which is here, site admin, and click on it, and it will redirect us to WordPress dashboard. So we have now to install WordPress. That's why will click on continue English, select English and continue. After that, site title. What will be the name of our site? That's why we will click uh, enter portfolio. So it is our portfolio project, right? So we will enter our username. So by default, we will enter a user admin, and password has also admin. Why? Because it is simple, and now we are just learning this. That's why we don't want entering a complex username or password for our website. That's that's why, okay, we will enter admin, and click to confirm use weak password, because we are using very weak password. So confirm use weak password, and after that your email. So our email is my email is janitdeveloper@gmail.com. Okay. So I think we have filled all the informations, and now we will click on install WordPress. Click on it, and it will start our process of installation. So our WordPress is installed, and we will click on save password, and we will log in into our WordPress. Okay, it's already entering, and we will click on login, and after that So we have redirected to our WordPress page or WordPress dashboard. You can see. So if we click on portfolio, and you will find an option visit site. Just click it, and this is your website. So it is a by default template which is already in WordPress. So don't worry about it. Just get back to it, and we will delete this and making it a uh, our website by start. Okay, so this is our WordPress dashboard. Here you can find different navigation tools where you can add pages. Here you will find pages. So in pages we can create multiple pages of our website. Like there are more than one pages in every website. So we can add here pages. Click on add new and add adding pages. So by default there are two pages, and we will delete it because we don't want right now. So click on bulk action and move cache, and click on apply. So the both the by default pages we have deleted, and also the same thing we have to do with post. So here also hello world name post is already. So we have to delete it, move to cache, apply. So we have deleted. Perfect. So I will explain this dashboard later on.